If your network attached storage, or short NAS, doesn't officially support Time Machine backups, but you still want to back up wirelessly, this video is for you. I will set up a USB drive connected to the computer that I'm later going to connect to my router to access over Wi-Fi. You can see it on the left, it's called Drive. First we have to format the external drive to use as a NAS with the router. If you already have a dedicated NAS, you can of course skip this step. Let's open Disk Utility. Now select your drive on the left and click on Erase. Format your drive with either FAT or FAT32. This format should be compatible to most routers. Remember to back up any important files on this drive before erasing it. Now click Erase and wait for the format to finish. Quit Disk Utility and reopen it. Next, we will create a container on the drive to store our Time Machine backup in. Click on File, New Image, and then Blank Image. Give the image a name and set the size. This will be the size the image is allowed to grow to. The initial size will be a lot smaller. Make sure to select macOS Extended Journaled as the format. Next, under Partition, choose Single Partition Apple Partition Map. Our image format should be a sparse bundle disk image. And make sure the size didn't change and is still correct. Type in the file name, choose the drive as the target location, and then click Save. After the image is created, it will be visible on the drive. Now you can disconnect the drive and connect it to your router. Now we try to connect to this hard drive over Wi-Fi. In Finder, click on Go and select Connect to Server or press Command K. Type in the IP address of your router or NAS to connect. In case you're asked for a password, type in your account info. Now find your hard drive and the image file we created earlier, then double-click it. Wait until the image shows up in Finder and afterwards open a new terminal window. We will tell Time Machine to use this image for backup. Type in sudo space tmutil space setDestination space /volumes/ and then the name of your image and press enter. You will also find this command to copy in the video description. Type in your Mac user password to allow and press enter to confirm. You need to be an administrator on your computer to be able to change the setting. Now close Terminal and check in Time Machine settings if it recognizes the image as a backup destination. As you can see, the image is correctly recognized and we can start to backup.